to show you how we used the 3D printer to help us finish the ceiling. We had raised the ceiling and gotten rid of this drop down section, and it was in a shower area, so we needed a good way to seal it off, and this is what we came up with. It covers the pipe, does it with the plastic so it's not prone to problems with the shower, and we finished it off along the wall and it looked great, and it allowed us to have the much higher ceiling. It had been dropped down much lower and opened up the whole shower area. Further along the wall we also had a P-trap that was hanging down too far, and simply by measuring that we're able to create a box shaped cover for it this time, and you can see that coming up here. If you have an interest in either one of these types of shapes to cover up or to finish a drywall ceiling, you can ask for a Thingiverse link for one of these, or order one, just measuring how far down you need it and how wide, and whether it be a pipe shape or a box shape. Once we finished those, we went around the house and found a couple other projects. Toilet paper roll holder had come out, the drywall anchor had pulled out, and that's the replacement one that put a larger drywall anchor in, and even that one had pulled out. So we needed one even bigger than what you get at the hardware store. You can see the hole was large. You can also see the bottom one. The original anchor had lasted longer in the bottom one, but that had still pulled out as well. We printed that, and it managed to anchor real well to that larger hole, and then we moved the old hardware store one down below, and got rid of the original drywall anchor, and it finished up tight like that, and it's been holding great. Then my favorite around the house project was I was having trouble with the Ant Plus on my Wahoo trainer, so I got a cord and left it on the floor, but I was still having some drop signal problems, plus it's down there on the floor with sweat and stuff, so this raised it up and placed it right close to where it needs to be, and the Ant Plus has been great since then. I haven't had a drop signal since then. It's been great. And then we also had the refrigerator that was running constantly. We realized that wasn't closing. We printed a taller peg up top, and then it locked well. So that was that.